Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I am the other audiologist here. This is actually my patient to start with. So there's two patients in this particular compilation. Came in to see me a couple of days ago actually. This is quite a recent one that I've done. This, you can see we've got, not completely narrow, but we've got quite narrow ear canals here which are holding these deep plugs of wax in place. Now we've got the standard size ulnar tube in here. I'm starting at the bottom of the ear canal, trying to lift and peel. Now you can see just under the plug, you can see almost like those ripples of skin underneath. And this is where that plug has been sat for quite a while. So you can see me trying different sections of this plug here because we've started lifting it from the bottom. We're now trying to detach this from the top of the ear canal. So what we're hoping is you can see these little bits drawing into the suction tube. I'm hoping to get to a harder part of this core.
So is that skin sort of folded around? Is it kind of holding that plug in?
I would have thought that would be the case because just looking at how the skin was underneath this plug. So you can see that this is broke away from that plug. You can see that deeper section was still in place. So we've got quite a decent sized piece away there. Now this particular patient does use oil regularly, but in this case it hasn't really affected it a great deal because you've got this, well, as I said, the center of this wax is still quite hard. So this is where you can see us wiggling this now and we're trying to squeeze it through this little gap.
It's difficult when it pinches like that at the bottom, isn't it? It's not easy to get through then. It's
not soft and it's not hard. It's a very, very tricky consistency. I could have gone in with the Jobson horn here, but I think what would have happened, as you've seen on some previous videos, we may have just created a trench going straight through the middle of this wax, and we would have spread the rest of this wax on the side of the ear canals, which would have basically made our job a bit more difficult.
Ooh, that's
starting
to go, isn't it? You can just see that.
Yeah, there we go. Here we go. And that's why I stuck with the suction here in this case, because I could see as we were wiggling, every little wiggle we were doing, you could see it just inching away. We've obviously got it stuck at the entrance.
This is a long piece, isn't it? It looks like it's
quite a long piece.
We don't have to bend one way than the other.
Oh, there we go.
That's a good one. Look at that. That's a nice one.
That's a meaty chunk.
Yeah. If you do like earwax removals, guys, it's a lovely looking eardrum as well. Sorry.
Perfect.
If you do like these earwax removals, guys, and you like watching these plugs coming out and the satisfying nature of these videos, you can always subscribe to the channel. You can follow the channel. You can heart. You can like. I don't think there's any other thing they can do, is there? Share if you want to.
Oh, share it around, yeah.
If you dare. There you go. So,
share if you dare.
New tagline for this video. So you can do that first. That would be absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. Make sure you stay tuned for the second video in this one, guys. We need your help with the second video. I'm not going to spoil it. I'll let Taylor carry on.
So same patient, other ear. Coming away a lot easier this time. You can see we've started to already peel away and break apart this. You could see that that kind of strip of like hard dead skin.
So that's what you could see on the first video, wasn't it? Yeah. All those ripples. That was effectively that skin that was anchoring in, wasn't it? Yeah.
So similar process here now. Standard size suction tube. Trying to wiggle and inch this through. There we are. I'm trying to. There we are. You can see I'm lifting, and here you can see it starting to move. I'm going to pull this down now, I believe. Yeah, we're going to pull that down, try and roll that through.
There you go. Ooh. Oh, I was so close. I was going to go there.
They get so frustrating, these ones, because we're literally at the entrance of the ear now. We're right at the pinna, which is the outer part here. There we go.
That's almost like a ball, isn't it?
Like a pellet, yeah. And it's just obviously broke away from this deeper section. So again, same process, little grip, trying to get a decent grip here.
That was a bit of a twiggle then, I felt.
It was a bit of a twiggle in that, and you could see that longer section that was just hiding around the corner there.
Yeah.
So that, and there another long piece we've removed. That should be it. There's obviously a little bit that we're just tidying up just to get that last little bit in the corner. Should suction straight off. Yeah, we go. Yeah, excellent. And again, textbook eardrum, nice and healthy. Maybe possibly a slight retraction there. Looking at the malleus. protruding into the eardrum.
You're doing inches this time?
I'll do an inch, yeah. So we got just over 1.5 inches on that one.
Yeah, so it's 4.5 centimeters, that one.
You've got your glasses on.
I've got my I can see. Guys, we need your help with this one. There's a bit of a foreign body in here, and we could not identify what this thing was. We've got to guess what we think it might be, but what I thought it was, the patient had never ever used. So, first of all, we've got this skin, debris, bit of wax, standard wax removal, this one, lovely and soft, coming away really, really well. But it's what goes on behind this wax is the key to this one, really. Let's get rid of all this bits of, you can see bits of skin.
Yeah, all unfolding.
Yeah, it's always nice when you see, oh, look at this still coming out. And you think,
out,
oh, this is brilliant. It's all coming away really well.
Away.
Thought lovely, got a lovely little skin ribbon here. This is going to be a great one for YouTube. It's coming away really nicely. You can see it pulling that next layer forwards. It's doing well here.
It was a nice chunky plug there.
It was quite a bit in there actually, but it's the bit just behind us, and it was actually resting against the eardrum. Now you barely see it here, but take a look at this as we lift this forwards. Here. What on earth is that? It's clear, it's hollow, it's almost like a pipe, it's a little tube. It's tapered on the one end, completely clear. It didn't feel rubbery, it felt quite solid. Now I thought this was, on some hearing aids you get a pipe, a tube that goes through it, and I thought this was part of the tube, but the patient has never ever used that type of hearing aid. So it's not that.
I just realised I was really trying to think of what it could be as well. My face was probably a bit of a picture then, sorry.
But I could not, you can see it's only small, it's only about a couple of mil long, but it's flat on one side, tapered down. It feels almost, it doesn't feel like glass, but it feels like almost like a hard plastic with a channel running through the middle of it. So we've got no idea what this could be. And patient didn't have the foggiest either.
Whether or not something is broken away and, you know, fling, I don't know.
I think maybe part of an earring or something like that, maybe.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what you think it is, guys, because we're a bit stumped as to what we think, and patient was as well. We couldn't work out what this was at all. It was a bit of a strange one.
Mystery.
A mystery object.
Mystery foreign object.
That's the title for the video there. It's a mystery object. There you go. So guys, thank you very much for watching our video today. If you do enjoy the videos, like I said, you can always subscribe, follow, like, heart.
Thumbs up, all the
rest of it. Thumbs up, do heart? There you go.
Thumbnail.
So guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.